Good morning student. Today we are going to learn the new lesson storage of water. All of you know water is very important to us. Correct? We are using water for the different purpose. For what purpose we are using the water? Yes, very good. Cooking, washing, then for bathing as well as for drinking. Correct na? And which is the main source of water? Rain. Very good. Means from rain we get the water, and we see the water in river, dam, lake, as well as in well, bore well. We see the water, and this one all these one water bodies are there. This one get water from the rain. Okay, and you know very well how this one water flow from, see here, this one the water flow from higher level to the lower level. Water flow from higher level to the lower level. Understood? See, you will realize that some rainwater flows away over the ground, some water seeps into the ground. When rainwater, this one the fall down on the earth, that time what happen, some rainwater flows away over the ground and some water seep into the ground. कुछ water जो है वो ground के अंदर जाता है, and some water, this one the flow on the ground. All the water we get comes from the rain. Which one water are there? This one we get from the rain only. The rainy season lasts for 3 or the 4 months. Nowadays which one season going on? Rainy season. Correct. See, the rainy season lasts for 3 or the 4 months. Along with us, all living things use this water all year round. Now see student, means 3 or 4 months only rainy season is there. But this water, rainwater, we are using all over the year. Means whole year we are using this one water. If we do not store water, we will not have enough water for our need. We use this one water for the different purpose, correct na? And if this one the rain water, if we are not storing, that time what happen, we are not get the enough water for our needs. That is why we have to save water, and for that purpose only we have to save the water. Water must be used economically. In this lesson, we will see the different ways of storing water. We will see how this one water are stored, which one the rain water is there. This one we have to store for our need only, for our need. Otherwise, in whole year we cannot get a water if we not store it. See, old water stores. Means in a previous day how this one water stored in a different way. See, in the olden days several methods of storing water were used in our state. Nowadays these old water stores are rarely used. In the olden days, which one the method of storing water in our state? Nowadays this one we rarely found. However, their remains can be seen in all places. Some of them are very beautiful. Water in some of these stores never get depleted. See, means depletion is not happen. Never get depleted. Means which one the water is there? This one not cannot be, means what we are saying, this one cannot be get over. Okay, वो ख़त्म ही नहीं होता था. मीन्स जितना स्टोर किया है वो उतना ही रहता था. The first one is well. Some rainwater seep into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. See, the big wells are there. We see in our school also one well is there. means some rainwater seep into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. Which one the water? This one seep in the ground. For getting such a water, they dug the well. Means some person are there, they dug the well to obtain the seeping water. Understood? Then see, the next one is water tanks in forts. Water tanks in forts. See, this one the water tank on a fort of Shivneri. On the Shivneri, this one water tank is there. Nowadays also it is there only. See, people live on the hill fort in the past. They also needed water. Means on the hill in the past time, which one the people are there, they also live on the fort, and these one people also need the water. The forts had reservoirs and tanks dug into the stone. For that purpose, means which one the kings are there, they dug the water reservoir, they dug the tank in a, means upside only stones are there, correct? In that one they dug the water reservoirs and store the water in that tank. And likewise these one people who live on the fort, they get the water. Now see the draw wells. In Marathi it is said to be ad. In Marathi it is said to be ad. See likewise structure of that one, the draw well. Here this one the two wood sticks are there. Okay, big this one the wood stick are there. This one the hard one, strong one. And on that one, here if you are seeing, means this one the wheel is there. And here they tie the rope. One means one side of that one the rope tie here, and one side this one for the pot or the bucket. Understood? And likewise they get water from the draw wells. See here, in the past draw wells were dug to get drinking water. They were small wells. This one the ad, it is a small well. They were small wells from the which water was drawn using a small pot. It is said to be the pohra. It is said to be the pohra. A small pot tied to a rope. Means one side of that one the rope tied to that one wheel, and one side this one to pot. Attapadi in a Sangli district had a draw well in every wada. See, in a past, the big wadas are there. In Junnor also we see the some wadas are there. Then in wada also these one small wells are there. Inside that one wada. Okay. And this one wada, this one totally construct in a stone only. See, draw wells had water all year round. Means in that one the draw wells, all over the year the water is there. When the tap water system was introduced, the draw wells went out of use. Nowadays we see this one the tap water system is there. We can't see this one the draw wells are there. But nowadays also in the some wadas we can see this one draw wells are there. Many were sealed. Now there are very few left in Attapadi. In Attapadi also very few draw wells are there. This can be seen in many villages. This can be seen in many villages. The next one, see, rivers and bunds. Earthen or the masonry bunds were built across river to store their water. See, likewise the bunds are there for storing the water. This one made by the earthen, okay, means by the soil, with the help of soil, or nowadays this one as well as this one used with the help of stone, with the help of stone for store the water. Means on the river also this one bands are there. Then see the next one, this one the old reservoirs. Reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without a major river. Most of the reservoirs were built using stone and mortar. See, this one, some reservoirs are there. This one this one made with the help of stone or the mortar. See, this one, the tank of Chandwad in a Nashik district. This one, the big tank is there. Means what happened, in a summer days the water is not there, but in a rainy days this one, the water fall in this one tank, and they get this one people who are living nearby this one area, they get the water from that one tank. See, old tanks. It is said to be the, in Marathi, haud. Earlier, tanks were used to store water. Some large cities still have these old tanks. Some of them are still in use. Some of them is still in use. Now, likewise, the big old tanks are also there. But in a previous or in a past days, in a house also, this one, the small haud are there. Small haud are there. People store water in that one haud or the old tank. And see, a tank of Aurangabad city. This one, the haud or the tank of the Aurangabad city. Likewise, find out if your locality has such old water storage system. Means in your locality, likewise water system is there or not, you have to check it. Now see, here what's the solution. Savani and Ameya get tap water in their house. As a result, the water from the drawell, which had been used since the old days, is not used any longer. Because of this, grandmother is upset. Suggest how Savani and Ameya can be used draw well water for purpose other than drinking. Okay. Then what's the solution for that? See, they will use this one, the water. This one, the Savani and the Ameya get tap water in their house. As a result, the water from the drawell, which had been used since the old days, is not used any longer. Means now some days they cannot use this one, the drawell water. Due to that one, grandmother is upset because grandmother only use this one water. Suggest how Savani and Ameya can be used drawell water for purpose other than drinking. Means first of all they have to clean that one water. Correct or not? They have to clean this one, the water, with the help of the, means see which one, the what we are saying, this one some chemical, this one we are getting in a market. With the help of that one also we clean this one water. As well as this one, the cleaning powder is also available in a market. If they are using, then with the help of that one also they get the clean water, and they use for this one water for the other purpose except by the drinking. Then see student, this one, the recent systems is there. This one we will see in a next lecture. Now you have to read this lesson carefully. See, today we see start new lesson, storage of water. In that we see the old water stores. The first one we see the well. Then the second one, water tanks in fort. Drawell, it is also said to be are. Then rivers and barns. Then old reservoirs, and the last one we see old tanks. Okay, you have to read this lesson carefully. Thank you.